after that like seagull.
Seagull's got juice.
Oh my god.
It's so cool.
I've never seen anything like that.
Get him.
Just witnessed a dogfight.
What? They're just still doing
Oh,
it.
they got him. They got him.
Where'd they
Got
caught him?
it.
Oh, oh.
Are they eating him?
They dropped him in the water.
They're eating the bird, right?
Yeah. Look, they're attacking him. He's in
They're
the water.
attacking him to try to eat him.
Yeah, he's in the water.
Why don't they just pick him up with
Maybe
their
they're just being dicks.
talons? They're trying to get him.
Hey, maybe that bird did something.
He's getting him.
Yeah.
They just can't get him.
They're trying to distract them.
They can't pick him up. That bird's dead.
Aw.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they smacked him. The other seagull friend is trying to distract the eagles.
It's not working very well.
No, he's just flying away.
Is that another eagle coming?
Coming in hot, comrades.
They just keep trying to pick up that bird and they can't get it. I think they're giving up.
They're coming for us now.
They just murdered. Oh, no way.
Did he get it?
The bird's alive. Oh, he's alive.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh,
Oh
no.
shit. Die balloon. This is so entertaining. He's going after him again.
He is?
Yeah, look. Yeah. The bird's over there. Oh, they might be.
They're flying together.
Yeah, they left him. He's over there.
Yeah, the seagull's going that way and the eagle's went that way.